Today we'll talk about how can you change security image on your MoneyLion app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, just click here on settings. Then you come to settings list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on change security image. Just click on it. So then you click here on proceed here. Just switching to open video, and here can you select here so image you want to secure your account with an image. Here can you just select it. I'm going to click here and you click on continue, then it's going to add video here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.